Once again, welcome to day 8 of our 20-day outreach in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. We are still doing our Pink Drive community outreach programs. Today we were at Eddington Hospital, where we've managed to really, it's a cold day, but all the single ladies, put your hands up. If you really want to have it, put a ring on it. If you really want to have it, put a ring on it. Hi, these single ladies. South Africa, we want to say thank you for checking in Pilo and for coming out, doing that pap smears, doing that memo, immunizing those children, applying for your grants, getting, those contraceptives, the HIV test, the TB test, the cholesterol, sugar, diabetes, and high blood tests, so that we can live a long life. For we are saying at social development, early detection saves lives.